Mickey, come here for a minute, please. What is it, Kendall? Me, Minnie, and you are about to go to King's Island again. Again? Yay! And remember, Minnie, you need to be on your best behavior or do not throw a tantrum like last time, okay? Minnie won't throw tantrum. Okay. All right, Mickey. Ready? Yay! Yay! Let's go. Uh-oh. Minnie dropped her bow. I'll smoosh it so it won't fall. I'm going right here. You know what I told you? You need to be on your best behavior or not throw a tantrum like last time we went there, okay? Just don't throw a tantrum, okay? Okay. Minnie won't throw tantrum, I said. Okay. Mickey, will you be on your best behavior too? Yes, I sure will. Okay. Okay, Mickey and Minnie, would you like to go to the rides? Okay. After all of these rides, we'll be going to Soak City, okay? Soak City! Yay! Minnie loved that water park. This is so great. Okay, Mickey and Minnie, now let's go to Snoopy Land. Snoopy Land! Oh no, Minnie dropped her bow again. Minnie, think about mad. Why Kindle mad? Well, I'm so mad at your bow, Minnie. I just mushed it. Here, we don't need this. Minnie won't bow. Minnie won't bow. Oh no, Minnie's throwing a tantrum. Uh-oh. Minnie's throwing a tantrum again. Oh no. We don't need your bow. It always falls. Minnie, don't throw a tantrum like last time we went to King's Island. And you know what? You need to be on your best behavior, I said. Okay. Minnie will behave herself. Okay. All right, Mickey. Time to go to Snoopy Land. Yay! It's okay, Minnie. I put your bow in your purse, okay? Purse! No! Oh no. Minnie's meltdown. Minnie, just don't worry. We will put it on when we go home. All right, Mickey and Minnie, would you like to go see the water, the logs? Minnie had to go there before. Yes, me too. Okay, Minnie and Mickey, I want you both to be on your best behavior. Okay. Let's start it. Welcome aboard. Here we go. Minnie is fast. I am too, Minnie. Minnie want airplane. Minnie want airplane. Okay, Minnie and Mickey, let's go to the airplane. Yay! Follow me. That's right, Minnie. Red airplane. Ooh, Minnie wanna go there. Okay, let's see what you're tall you are. Oh, I think you're good. And you, boy hand puppet, Mickey. I think you are good enough. Yay! Let's go! You guys ready to fly? Yes, me and my sister are ready. Minnie ready. Whee! So much fun. Okay, Mickey and Minnie. Which ride do you want to go now? I think we should go to the pumpkin coaster. Okay, Mickey. That sounds like a good choice. All right, Mickey and Minnie. Would you like to go to Kite Eating Tree? Yes, me and my sister want to go there. Okay. Follow me. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 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 Oh, my tummy. Oh, what's wrong with your stomach? All this jumping in the kite-eating tree makes my tummy sick. Oh, didn't make my tummy sick? That's great, Minnie, but Mickey's is... Oh, poor Mickey. Oh, I think I'll be feeling better. Sure. Here, have a sandwich. Yay, I'm feeling all better now. That's great, Mickey. Now, it's time for us to go to the carousel. Yay! Minnie loves carousels. We're riding a horse. Yeah, Minnie too. All right, let's get out of the horses. Yay, we love carousels. Okay, now we ride. Now it's time for us to go to the Linus Launcher. Yay! Whoa! Hi, Kendall. Hi, Mickey and Minnie. Hi, Kendall. Hi, Minnie. Okay, now it's time to go to Charlie Brown's wind-up. Yay! Let's go. Yay! Okay, Mickey and Minnie, it's time for us to go to the glider, the airplane glider. Yay! Okay, let's go. Keep pushing. Oh, it's playing the song, my favorite from Kroger. Ed, what's that song called? I'm a Believer. Oh, Minnie loves that song too. Okay, Mickey and Minnie, it's time for us to go to Soak City. Do you want you both to be on your best behavior? Yes, me and my little sister will behave ourselves. Okay, let's go. We're at Soak City. We sure are. Now, would you like to dress in our swimming costumes? Yes. Let's go to the changing room. All right, Mickey and Minnie. Now you're all dressed up in your Soak City clothes. Now, it's time for you guys to go to the trapdoor slide. Yay! Minnie don't like trapdoors! Oh no, it looks like Minnie has never go to this trapdoor before. Oh, I know you want to go home. Well, I know you have never go there before. Oh no. It's okay. We'll make it quickly. I told you it's not scary for you, Minnie. Minnie, not scary. Okay, now it's time to go to the pineapple. Pineapple slides. Yay. Okay, Mickey and Minnie, it's time for you guys to go to the other water slides. Yes. Minnie wants to. Whoa. Okay, Mickey and Minnie, do you want to go do so much things at Soak City? Yes, we want to. Yeah, Minnie too. Okay.
Ready? Let's do this! Best water balloon toss ever!
Hey, Mickey and Minnie, do you love Soak City? Yes, we both do. Okay, would you like to go to the kiddie pool? Yeah, we want to. Okay. All right, time to go to the pirate ship. Yay, pirate ship! Okay, Mickey and Minnie, are you ready to go to the wave pool? Wave pool! Wow! Okay, Mickey and Minnie, it's time for you to go to the train. Back to King's Island. I don't want to leave Soak City. Oh no. Why is Minnie crying? She don't want to leave Soak City. Here, Minnie and Mickey, let's get you dressed. After they got dressed. All right, Mickey and Minnie, you're all dressed. Now we're going to wait for the train. There'll be no eating, no drinking, no smoking, or no vaping on the train. All right, Mickey and Minnie, are you ready to go to the white water side? Okay. I don't know. We'll call it white water this time. Whoa, we got our clothes wet. Oh. Time for the parade, and then we'll go after the bounce. Bounce! Sorry, guys. Both of you are not allowed in a bounce. You guys are too young. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. You both are too young to go to the bounce. I'm afraid we're not going to go to the bounce. Oh, no. But we'll have we'll go to the Great Carvel Color Parade. A few hours later. Okay, are you ready to go home? Yes, we're ready to go home. Uh-oh. Looks like Minnie doesn't want to go home. Let's put your bow back on. The crying is getting on my nerves. Hey, you're getting on Mickey's nerves. Minnie want to go back to King's Island. I know you want to go back to King's Island, but they're getting ready to shut down all the rides. It's okay. We'll come back next time.